It's great to have you with us. Andy Townsend is here with me for this one.
Can't wait for this match to start today, Club. It's a pleasure to be here.
Welcome everyone to what is an important league encounter. Both teams will be wanting the points to further their respective claims. Every game is a big game. They'll have to make do with a corner. Just got a hand to it. Corner given. It's an opportunity. Messi. All the keeper was beaten.
Just needs to become a bit more accurate from there.
Messi. Comfortable for the keeper. Never looked like trailing him. Piqué. They do play through this man whenever they can. Messi. That's a save. That's a save. Piqué. Lionel Messi can't get it up on the ball. Messi. Three-pointer keeper makes it in play. Wow, challenge. Here's Papa. There's some good stuff at the back. Messi. Lionel Messi.
That's a great run, a blister in front, but he really should have made the goalkeeper work harder.
Jean-Pierre Papin. Could have stretched this defence like that. Didn't show enough determination to keep the ball. Always a buzz when Messi gets on the ball for Barcelona. Lionel Messi. Downfield from the keeper. Piqué. Messi.
Salma. Termiskiya laga
Lionel
taagan
Messi. He created Messi's goal.
He knew exactly where that was going to end up.
They do say you're at your most vulnerable when you've just taken the lead. They've got to concentrate here. Here we go again. It's 1-0. Did well to regain possession. Who's with him? Shot blocked. Messi. Fine defending. No way through. Messi.
Abu.
Left now in this half. Still very close.
Ya.
Got it back. In for an opening here.
haye 20 mid laf oo la qaadaa jirta xal xasal
By the defence.
dhagax ma kan xirig waa mid oo waxa jira oo fiilo wadan oo asna caadi ah oo bishii $20 la qaaday kaas wili soo $20
Barcelona are ahead at the interval.
That's a really good game. It's enjoyable to watch. No problem with keeping the ball. Trying to find that cutting edge. Now that's a different question.
Messi.
Chance the way he keeps on getting himself in the right positions. He's just very good at it.
2 goals under his belt, and he doesn't look for one moment like he's finished. Had to be goals in this one. It's now 2-0. About their play, everyone's comfortable on the ball, they're all on the same wavelength. Decent header. Rakitic likes to keep the ball moving. Linesman's got a flag up. Manager has made his first change of the night. Wonderful lofted pass there. Back off the post, penalty. Got that all wrong. Cut him in half. You'd expect him to be a cool penalty taker. Off the upright. Time to challenge well. Picked out the right pass there. Did well to get to that. There's no doubt in this goalkeeper's bravery. Now what's he done? Look at this now. Opened it up well. Rakitic. Likes the passing game. Now, can they make the most of possession?